Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this part is a pin, and how to this pin it is designed easily and clearly. And this is a pin design, and this is isometric view, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All view is a you can see here easily. And this project is a stop valve, and a stop valve project is very important, and all parts is a one by one is design here, and last is a lecture is a this body is assemble here. Okay, but this is all dimension in millimeter. Okay, let's start here. This body is design, and this is a pin. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and how to this pin, how to this body is designed, and this is a hole is okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and all is perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this material is nickel. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, at first select a part, and going to some setting is a very important, and at first plain white, and going to option is a document properties, and going to image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, and at first drawing this body, and this is a front plane is use a better, and front plane is this, and this distance between to this is a 19 millimeter, and this is a hole to this distance between 37 millimeter, and this is 39 millimeter, and this distance is a 2 millimeter is this, and hole is cut out is 1 millimeter is diameter, and this is a circle is a radius is 3 millimeter, but this full diameter is 6 millimeter is same. Okay, this is a this length is 10 millimeter is cut out, and chamfer is used here 45-degree angle or 0.5 millimeter. Okay, at first select a front plane. Okay, and go at first select a line. Okay, line is select here, and this line is a connect to this, and okay, and this and going to this, and connect a okay, this is a this to this, okay, and this to this. Okay, and this line is very important relation, and this point select this and press a control button and select this line, and this is a coincident. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, and but this is a very important. Okay, and okay, and mention dimension is this is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 39 millimeter. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and this distance is a 2 millimeter. Okay, and all is black color means this is a fully defined, and okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay, at first select this distance is a 39 millimeter, and this radius is a okay, this radius is a 3 millimeter, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and going to this revolve boss base is apply here, and this connect this select here this. Okay, this is a delete here this body. Okay, okay, this is a delete here, select this plane, and this plane is this line is a okay, but not work. Select this line, okay, and okay, and this is perfect and normal. Okay, this line is some line is delete here. Okay, all is perfect and again going to revolve boss base and select this okay, this is a perfect, and some extra line is a okay, and click okay. Okay, all is perfect and correct and again select a front plane, sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is a this circle is a drawing here, and this diameter is a 1 millimeter. Okay, 1 millimeter is this and again select this point and select this line, and this distance is a 37 millimeter. Okay, and one important relation is very important, and this point is selected and press a control button, and this point is selected and both is a horizontal line, and then this circle is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and going to this extrude cut. Extrude cut is a mid plane, and this is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this distance is 10 millimeter and going to mid plane. Okay, this is a perfect and both side is cut here. Okay, this is a cutting very nice looking here. Okay, and chamfer is apply here. A chamfer is this 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and select this edge. Okay, and next click OK. Okay, all point is one by one is you can see here. Okay, all point is perfect and correct and material is apply here, and going to this material and appearance and select a metal, again going to this nickel, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect and isometric view also. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned easily and clearly, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.